every corner of this room, like a whisper in the darkness, like a memory that won't move. Every step I take without you still echoes what we were. Though the world keeps turning faster, time with you still feels like home. Every tear I try to hide, every word I couldn't say, lives inside my beating heart. Even now it stays. Love never fades away, even when you're far away. Through the distance, through the pain, it still finds a way. Love never says goodbye, even when we have to try to move on and let it go. It's still deep inside.